Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean, back at it again with some more Hallobean content. Today I'm going to be making some resin skulls. I'm fairly new to working with resin, so I am still learning this art, but after seeing so many people do it online, I figured that I would give it a shot. And what better than skulls? So to start off, I poured the Part A and Part B epoxy resin mixes into a disposable container. It's important to make sure that the amount is the same with this, so I used a weighing scale. I then gave it a good solid mix. Now we're straight on to the fun part. I wanted to make a gold leaf skull first, so I took some gold leaf and quickly realized that I had already got resin on my gloves, so it immediately stuck to me. Yep, after much fiddling, I finally managed to get enough of the gold leaf into the resin and stirred it in. Once done, it's time to pour it into the skull-shaped silicone mold. I also have this bowl of gold wire that I thought would look pretty cool in it, so I stuck that in there too. And then poured the gold leaf resin on top. Oh no! Spillage! Okay, let's just scoop that back in there. Place the other half of the mold firmly on top and carry on pouring, this time through a funnel. And today's shout out will be going to L Moylan MUA. I absolutely love their style and their aesthetic is just beautiful. So if that's your thing, then go check them out. It was this moment that I decided I wanted to make a second skull as well. This time using a epoxy colorant. I wanted to use blue colors. Ooh, pretty. I partly stirred the colorants to create a swirl effect, and I also added some holographic stars because, well, I felt like it. I then poured this bad boy into a different skull mold and added some white on top because I thought that this would look cool and kind of make it look like some ocean waves, if ocean waves had stars in them. Yeah, I didn't think that through. The next day, once it was completely solidified, I demolded them and uncovered all of my mistakes. I mean, I did say I was new to this. No problem, nothing a pair of nail scissors and a nail file can't fix. Finally, I made a new batch of resin and using a makeup sponge, I applied the resin over the whole skull so as to make it transparent again. And there we have it, resin skulls. So easy, even a beanhead like me could make them. As always, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you would like to see more daily Hallobean content, then hit that subscribe button. I will be releasing a spooky video every day this month, so hit that bell button too, so you can stalk me on my spooky adventure. And I'll see you all later. Bye!